What's up, everybody? Today we're visiting Oaklawn Racing Casino Resort to see what's cooking in the newly opened Oak Room and Bar. Oaklawn has been adding a lot of new features and attractions to the resort recently, and the Oak Room and Bar is their latest installment of upscale dining in an elegant atmosphere. Today, Chef Aaron Lyons will be showing us how he prepares the popular Almond Crusted Rainbow Trout. Let's check it out.
FeastMode!
Hello, I'm Chef Aaron Lyons of the Oak Room at Oaklawn Racing Casino and Resort in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Today I'm going to make for you an almond crusted rainbow trout, and we're going to pair that with a smoked old fashioned. First, I'll take my trout, I'll salt and pepper it, and I'll place it in a hot skillet skin side down for crispiness. I will then follow that up with a little yellow onion and butter, and Yukon Gold potatoes, salt and pepper, and a little brown butter meuniere. While the mayonnaise continues to cook, I'll pop the trout in the oven to finish. While the trout browns in the oven, I begin to saute my Maryland lump crab meat and a little parsley for color. As that trout comes out of the oven, I begin to put my panko almond crust. It gives a nice golden brown texture on top to finish. So then I do a simple plating of brown butter meuniere on the plate. I'll place my onions and mayonnaise potatoes on and then rest the trout right over the top of that, and then add my crab meat to finish. And that is a Colorado almond crusted rainbow trout at Oaklawn Racing Casino Resort in Hot Springs.
FeastMode!